Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a nice and fun-filled Durga Puja and Navratri. Happy Dasara to everyone and to all my Bengali viewers, Shubho Bijoya. Friends, if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get my further video notifications. To make your festive season more sweet, and also Diwali is coming, so here I am presenting one traditional easy sweet dish recipe, Rabri. So let's start. I am boiling 1 liter full fat whole milk in a thick bottomed karai. We'll stir this continuously. We will wait till the first boil. Now keep on stirring while the milk is boiling. Now, after the first boil of the milk, put the gas flame in low to medium flame, and now you will see the milk starts to form a layer of cream or malai on top. So what you need to do is, with the help of spatula, you need to gently move the creamy layer to the side of the karai. Just bring it towards the side of the karai and stick it to the karai. You have to be very patient while doing this because it will take some time, and boil the milk in low to medium flame only. Keep on boiling the milk like this and collecting the creamy layer on the sides and sticking it to the karai. This creams only become the rabri. Repeat the process like this. Keep on stirring the milk gently. The milk has started reducing. Now you can see the milk has reduced to 1/3 of its quantity, and the texture is also quite dense. I have not added any cornstarch. Automatically only it will become this dense texture. It took around 40 minutes. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon of elaichi powder. Mix everything very well, and now pour this in your serving bowl. Now with the help of a sharp spatula or with your spoon, just scrape off the entire cream layer or the malai from the sides of the karai. And add to your thickened milk. Stir this gently Now I have sprinkled some chopped pista. Now the rabri is ready. If you like hot rabri, then serve it like this, and if you like chilled rabri, then keep it in fridge for 1 or 2 hours. Hope you like this video. If you like this recipe, then please like it and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.